Hey everybody, Jody, the barbecue dad here, your recteq expert, and I want to congratulate you on the purchase of your brand new 1250. From everybody here at recteq, I want to welcome you to the recteq family. You've got this bad boy assembled, and I know you want to put some meat on it, but we got to do one thing before we put meat on it. We got to do our 400-degree burn-in. So why do you want to do your 400-degree burn-in? You want to make this bad boy safe to eat off of. We're going to take our grates out of this machine and we're going to give them a good wash. We're going to take our drip pan out. Now's a good time to go ahead and foil it to make cleanup super easy. And we're going to take our deflector shield out. We're going to grab a scoop, a handful of those ultimate blend pellets and put it in our fire pot. That's going to prime our fire pot. Why do we want to prime our fire pot? Because when we put pellets in this bad boy and turn it on, that auger tube is going to be void of pellets, and it's going to take a minute for the pellets to get from the auger tube into the fire pot. So we'll place a handful of pellets in there to prime it, to give the grill something to light. After priming your fire pot, we'll replace our deflector shield, our drip pan, our grates, and any other accessory that needs to be burned in. After closing our lid, we're going to hit the power button once and set the grill to 400. Once the grill achieves 400, you're going to set a timer. Once that timer reaches 1 hour, your 400-degree burn-in is complete and your grill is safe to eat off of. Hey, now that your 400-degree burn-in is complete, it is time to cook something super fatty. We recommend cooking chicken thighs, burgers, bacon, anything with some grease content to splash some grease up on the inside of that chamber and start that seasoning process. If you ever need anything, please give us a call here at the office, 706-922-0890. Remember, anybody that picks up the phone here is going to own this grill and use it regularly, so they're going to be able to answer any questions that you have. Here's a great first cook video if you want to check it out over here in this corner. From everybody here at recteq, thank you so much for your purchase of your brand new 1250. We know you're going to love it for many, many years to come. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you at the recteq.